informations come into your brain through your sense, so the memories stored there have some connections to what you have seen, heard, smelled, tasted, or touched. Some memories are more powerful than others. So today in this video I will discuss the three R's of memory, how your memory work, how improve the way you. As you read, keep in mind three simple truths about memory. It is normal to forget. You cannot remember what you do not understand. Memory is a process that can be strengthened and managed. Memory is a mental process that enables you to recall past experience. Without this process, you could not learn and grow in knowledge, skill, or wisdom. Without memory, you would have to learn to draw all over again every times you got in your car. Without memory, you would repeat the same mistake over and over, never learning or work. Your memory is literally opens to the world through your sense. Everything's rested on your memory, sound, feeling, words, image, everything's मेमोरी एक ऐसा चीज़ है जिसके से आपके पास रिकॉर्ड एक्सपीरियंस सारे ज़ाहिर होता है। इस अगर ये अमल आप नहीं कर पा रहे, आपकी दिमाग नहीं कर पा रहे, तो आपको नॉलेज ग्रो करना मुश्किल होता है, स्किल ग्रो करना मुश्किल होता है और विजडम भी ग्रो करना मुश्किल होता है। बग़ैर मेमोरी के तमाम चीज़ आपको भूल जाते हैं। आपने जो काम किया वो सारे रिकॉर्ड आपकी जहन से निकल जाएगा। When you were a child, your teacher explains number alphabets and wrote them on the chalkboard. While you were listening to the teacher and looking at the board, you were process information about the letters, numbers, thought, your sense, sight, and sound. Then, to help you learn the things, your teacher asks you to write them on the paper, and that activity engage your sense of touch. You also recite loudly. Those practice in the classroom help you to record and retain the things in your memory. If your practice and memory techniques have served you well, then you have written the things and can recall them even now. What is memory? मेमोरी को बिल्ड करने के लिए आपके पास तीन स्टेप है: रिकॉर्ड, रिटेन, रिकॉल। रिकॉर्ड उस वक्त होगा जब आप किसी चीज़ की तरफ फोकस करें। रिटेन इस वक्त होगा जब आप जो फोकस किए हुए चीज़ को बार बार दोहराएं। रिटेन के लिए रिकॉल करना ज़रूरी है, आप बार बार उसी चीज़ को दोहराएं जिससे आपकी मेमोरी डेवलप होगी। I explain the three R's of memory one by one. Record information by paying attention to it so that you can hold it in your memory long enough to write it down or use it in some way before you forget. Looking up a phone's numbers and try to remember it long enough to dial it one example. However, you can retain information and keep it your memory for longer and longer periods of time if you reinforce it through use, review, or another strategy. Phone number that you will use stay in your memory. On the other hand, you have probably forgotten some phone numbers that you have no longer used. For example, you remember the first phone number you have as a child. Let's say you are going to be a test on some informations that you have covered in class. If you have studied and revised the information sufficiently to store it in your memory, then you will be able to recall or retains the everything. किसी चीज़ को रिकॉर्ड रखने के लिए आपको बार बार लिखना पड़ता है। जैसे कि आप किसी के फ़ोन नंबर्स बार बार डायल करेंगे, आप बार बार इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो आपको याद रह जाता है। अगर आप इसको एक मर्तबा या दो मर्तबा आप लिखेंगे, इसके बाद आपको भूल जाएगी। इसी तरह भी दूसरे चीज़ों पर भी यही इतलाक़ होता है। कोई चीज़ आप बार बार लिखेंगे, आप कम से कम आप 10 मरतबा लिखेंगे तो आपको हमेशा के लिए आपके रिटेन होगा। ये रिकॉर्ड में भी, आपकी मेमोरी रिकॉर्ड में भी हमेशा मेंटेन रहेगा।